But right now, what we're going to do is we're going to move on to our next story, which is the Uber driver that was killed. So first off, whoa, yeah, Harry, show me the money. So first off, what we want to do, we always want to bring up, any type of safety, any type of issues, anything like that. Display ride dash camera or just a dash camera in general. But the reason why display ride dash camera is very good is because it uploads to the cloud right then and there. So if somebody is trying to do something that they shouldn't be doing, like take your dash camera, throw it out the window. Oh, well, it's already up to the cloud. So they got it. If they try doing something stupid, oh, well, it's up to the cloud. They already got it. So it helps when it comes to, retrieving that data, when it comes to getting that. What's up?
Stupid is stupid does. You know, there are a lot of those out there these days.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And then, the false reports, accidents are a big thing. There's a lot of things that a dash camera is good to have. So one of the big things that we recommend, like I say, is display ride dash camera. Great dash camera. And, actually, RideShare Rodeo just got his. And I don't know if you saw that short, but he just got his on. He made it where he was talking about it.
Did he, Steve, did you use the RSG10, bro? Or RSG20? Sorry. I hope you did.
I don't know. If he didn't, he should have. But either way, RSG20 will get you 20% off. So instead of being 25 a month, you'll get it for 20 a month. So yeah, I know Steve, he just did. So hopefully you will be able to get yours as well too. So use that link, RSG20. Link is going to be in the description below as well too. So if you want to do that.
Donnie.
Yeah, in DC cameras are free, but you have to unfortunately qualify. And there's a couple of hoops that you got to jump through in order to do that.
Life, Donnie.
No, unfortunately there isn't. I mean, going outside. Honestly, the only thing that's free in life is going outside, hanging out, looking at the trees, and enjoying life. That's the free thing in life.
No shit.
But yeah, when it comes to display ride, and the biggest thing is safety, and that's what's bringing us into our next topic.
Okay,
I
don't know what to say about this. This is you know what? You guys can pound me all you want. I don't think this is Uber's fault. I say when Uber's fault is Uber's fault. I don't think this is Uber's fault. This is a bonehead. Now,
this is a moron. This is the passenger who's
beyond
a complete idiot.
I don't even know what. Okay, we did the poor Florida driver, Uber Eats driver, who got chopped up to pieces by that El Cholo, whatever gangster, right, in Florida. This is. I read it and I'm like, should we even do this? But then I do, because please, he has a GoFundMe page. His name is Piedra, last name. Just Google I forgot his first name. Okay. Anyway, but just Google Piedra and it will get you to his GoFundMe page if you guys want to go donate some money. This woman was visiting her boyfriend, Phoebe Copas, 48, from Kentucky, and she was in Texas. She went there, and she got in this poor guy's car. This guy's following Uber directions, bro. This guy's following the map, bro. And when he got close, supposedly, to the Suarez, Mexico border, she pulled out a 9mm and blew the guy away, thinking she was going to get kidnapped. What freaking world do we live in? Now, in this case, Uber didn't do anything. Uber just put this lady in his car. Now, did she have priors? First of all, it's completely against the terms of service to walk in a car as a passenger or a driver with a gun. Period. No ifs, no buts about it. Not just for the driver, for the passenger as well. Maybe she had done things like this before. I don't know. Maybe she shouldn't be on the Uber platform. I'm not the one to say. Uber knows. But this guy died for absolutely no fucking reason whatsoever. Now, if you guys say rideshare driving is not dangerous, I don't know what else to say. Rest in peace. I just feel bad for the family, feel bad for the guy. And the bonehead is going to go to jail for a long time, which she deserves.
Rightfully should.
Yeah.
Rightfully should. I mean, it's absolutely ridiculous when it comes down to it, because, you should know where you're going in terms of where you are and all that. If you don't have that direction, first off, ask the question.
It's on your app, bro. It's on your app as a passenger. You can follow yourself on the freaking app.
Yeah. Well, not only that, why wouldn't you just ask the question?
Yeah. before you blow the guy off.
Where are we going? Or are you
Yeah.
taking me somewhere? I don't know. Like, ask the be communicating, not just automatically assume and you know, pull out the gun and trigger. No, now she's going to be charged with murder, and rightfully so, because yeah, I mean, something like this should not be happening. I don't know. I don't even know how it would have escalated from 0 to 100 that quickly, just because you saw signs for Juarez, Mexico. I mean, come on, I'm driving down when I drive to Chicago. When I hit Cleveland, on the other side of Cleveland, I see a sign for Chicago. I mean, come on, like, how far of a distance is that? I mean,
well, this is very easy to prove on the driver's side because Uber has all this information. Uber has all the GPS info, right? And she can claim, this knucklehead Phoebe Copas, all she wants, that, oh, I thought I was getting kidnapped. Well, guess what, Miss Copas? Uber has the GPS, you know, tracking on you and him. And I bet you the guy did not veer off the given navigation. Okay, either Google Maps or the Uber's own nav. I don't think you have a point here. I mean, before you blow somebody's head off, first of all, think about this, Chris. How dumb you got to be to kill your own driver, because the guy can go fall off a cliff and kill you with it. I mean, think about this. How stupid are people these days,
or
bro?
like just you know, you're driving and then all of a sudden you're going into the other lane. And now you're in a giant accident. Now you're going too. Good luck.
Yeah. I'm just stupid. Stupid. But anyway, rest in peace. What can we say? Another victim.
Oh, that DC lady that threw herself out of the car. Yeah.
Yeah, we heard about that one. We were going to talk about that. Maybe we'll talk about that next week. How RideShare got her back on the system immediately. You know what I mean?
Yep. Yeah, we got the good screenshots for that. So either way, that's at least a good story in terms of, you know, getting back on the platform, you know, making sure that everything was okay there.
Joe Driver, can we post the page? No, buddy, just go Google his last name. It's on the article. Please don't make us do it. He wants to find out what his GoFundMe page is. If you can put it on, put it on. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm not sure what it is.
Just Google his last name. Google his first name, last name. It will. One of the first 3 links is going to be. I did it already, but I didn't put it in here. Okay, just Google Texas driver gets killed by the passenger. You'll see it. It's all over the news. So.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club, with Sergio and myself. Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.